Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about how to make money online watching videos. This method actually works worldwide. I can show you the proof how it's work worldwide. Before which I show you everything, let's get down to see the live result of people earning money. You can see this is the live testimonial, people leaving every single day. This is a live feed of people earning points every single day. Not day, now the people are earning 1,400, 100 points, 673 India, China, UK, United States. So people from worldwide are earning points, and here live cash out, people are earning $5, $10, $15. You can see from here it's a live feed. Every time it's changing, guys. So that means people are withdrawing money every single time. So in this video, how you can earn money, I'm going to show the website and the method that you can earn money. So watch the video until the end. Before we get in the videos, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, press the bell icon. If you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway, guys. So before I show the website how you can earn money, the first thing, you can earn money by completing offers here and completing surveys here and watching videos. So website like this won't have three things every single time. So in a website that you can earn money by watching video, at the same time you can earn extra money by completing surveys, and you can earn more money by completing offers. And if you've already got in the video, what you have to do before you earn money, what you have to do, create an account with them. So you put your email address, put your password, confirm your password, and after that you can straight away log into your account, guys. So after you sign in your account, your dashboard gonna look like this. What you have to do, first confirm your email address, and second, complete your profile so the website can able to know what kind of offers and service and video to promote you, so you can earn money. And three, you need to understand your dashboard. So if you go to the bottom, there's a three section here: paid survey, watch videos, and complete offers, earn money. The reward store where you're going to withdraw your money. This is your dashboard, going to show you the current balance, guys. So if you come down to the bottom, you can see the live feed of people earning points and the amount of money they are withdrawing today. So why I say this work worldwide, because when you refer a friend, there's a section called which country that you can earn points. So if it Taiwan, like USA, Canada, United States, when you refer a friend or family members, when they sign up and when they acquire 1,000 points, you can earn 250 points for that. Tier 2 countries, the most of the European countries here, and New Zealand and Australia, that you can earn 150 points. Tier 3 is all other countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and other countries like other Asian countries. So when you refer them from that, you can earn 25 points for 1,000 points they're earning. That's why I'm saying this is system work worldwide. So anyone from any part of the world can sign in and earn money from it. So I'm gonna go through each section how to show you how you can earn money. First, this is the survey section where you can earn money by completing surveys. You can see you can earn different points for that. You can earn low as 225 points to up to 1,000 points. Again, they say they upload survey every single time. So sign in whenever you have a free time and you can complete the surveys and you can earn points. Then you can convert that points to money. After that, there's offer section. These sections pay you more money, more points, which mean more money. You can see this when you complete this offer, you're going to pay 9,000 points, 8,000, 5,000. But these offers are required to sign in, create an account, maybe subscribe for 1 month free trials. You have to put your credit card details, then you can go and cancel it anytime you want. So doing that, you can earn more points and you can withdraw that points using PayPal money, guys. So again, if you don't have any credit card or bank detail to do that, you can go with the survey and this section which we are waiting for, earn money while watching video. So if you click this video section, there's two things. First, daily offers. This is the one of the daily offers. It will be displayed every single time. So when you click that, there's advertisement played for 30 seconds and you get paid 5 points for that. Now at the time I have 1 point, I already clicked that and played it. I earned that 5 points. You can see it from here. But again, every single day they put new new offers. So when you click and watch the video for 30 seconds, you can earn the points. But here is the main section here where you can earn money by 7 points per 3 videos with ad. So you need to earn, so you can earn 7 points every 3 videos with ad. So you can earn money using Hideout TV. I already made a video in the first. Most of the site like this use Hideout TV as a video platform to earn money. So all you have to do is click this open. If you click that, it will open the Hideout TV page where you have to create an account with us, free to create. So login account with them. So you just leave that to play a video, continuously play the video. Whenever the advertisement play in front of the video, you earn 7 points. So for example, you watch 3 videos with the advertisement, you earn 7 points. When you collect these points, it will adapt into the Hideout TV wallet here, and you can redeem that money using one of the provider here. So I'm gonna show the entire process at the end of the video, so watch that video until the end. So if you go to rewards, so this is how you can earn, withdraw your money. You can withdraw money using gift card, or you can use it PayPal. So if you click infotainment, you can see you can withdraw £5 PayPal or $5 PayPal money. All you have to do is 5,150 points for that, or you can use a different gift cards, e-gift card, shopping gift cards. If you want different amount, have a different points to you collect, guys. So in order to earn 5,100 points, if you complete any offers, high ticket offers, you can earn that money like that in a couple of minutes. If not, you can do surveys and watch video, earn that points and withdraw using PayPal here. So in order to withdraw $5, you need to have a 5,150 points in order to do that. So if I go to Hideout TV, this is the points available at the moment. After watching around 15 videos, 3 of them we have a continuous advertisement, I earn around 21 points from here, guys. So if I click start redeem process, and if you ask you which provider I want to withdraw that money, so if I click this one, and these are the providers that work Hideout TV work with, or you can say Wyzen, iRise, or Grab Points. This website which I'm reviewing at the moment is called Zoombucks. So click that. So 27 points, which equal to 27 points, which equal to 21 points on Zoombucks. So redeem the balance, and in a couple of minutes that balance it will be added to the here. So this is the website I'm talking about. It's called Zoombucks. If I refresh the page, maybe my points will be added here. So you can earn money by watching videos, completing surveys and offers, and you can withdraw your money points using PayPal account. You can see here that points is added here in the balance gone up from 5 to 26. So every time you watch the videos and complete service, that you can earn points and you can withdraw that using PayPal money, guys. I hope you understand, guys. If you want to different way to make money online, or website to make money online, leave a comments. I will make a videos on that. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, like this video. So when this video get under like, I will do the giveaway. And thanks for watching videos and giving your support, guys. See you in next video.